Alrighty, everybody, welcome back to my channel. And first of all, I want to wish everybody happy 2022. Today is January 1st, and I decided to release one video regarding some orders that I got from the RockAuto, and I'm gonna do opening right now, unboxing, and I'm gonna go in through some stuff that are happening now on the channel and stuff that will be happening as well. So let's go through it, and then I'll go and talk about the Eclipse. Anyway, a few days ago, I was doing the cleanup on the Eclipse, and I was cleaning the engine bay, and to my surprise, I found out that the valve cover gasket where the spark plugs are is leaking. So it's leaking oil straight into the little hole for the spark plugs. So yeah, spark plugs are pretty much swimming in the oil. So the problem is, and it's my fault, because I actually went in there to retorque, as the manual tells you, to retorque the head, and I went in there a couple of times, rechecked everything, make sure that valve stem guides are still good, and the valve seals are good. It's not leaking it's not losing compression, pretty much. So everything checked good, everything was alright. I put it back, slapped it back fast, went for a cruise, drive around, and yeah. After that, I noticed that the valve cover is leaking. So that was my fault. I tried to salvage that gasket. I put actually brand new gasket, but I tried to salvage that gasket 3 times. So what happened is, like I said, I opened the valve cover 3 times, and yeah, the valve gasket is it's pretty much used up. It shouldn't be like that, but anyway, I decided I'm gonna order me a new one, which I can see it right here. I kind of don't like the way they packaged it, but hey, it's excuse me, it's rubber gasket, so it should be fine. Anyway, they had a clearance as well on the filters, and I bought me 10 of these. And you can see made in Indonesia. But anyway, I bought 10 filters for the Eclipse. Hopefully that's gonna, help me out. It will actually, because these were really cheap. Anyway, the filters, oh, it doesn't show, but anyway, filters were about $1.50 each. And I know everybody's gonna bash me about this, but hey, it's my car, my decision. Valport gasket, that was decent price as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that one. Didn't order anything else. I did notice that I did not get a magnet. I did not get a magnet. Oh man. But anyway, that's pretty much what was inside there. This is just a valve gasket. Everybody knows what that looks like. But anyway, the plans, what are the plans? Starting right away this year, I will be doing the 4G63 rebuild. Finish that, pull the GSX inside the garage, and paint it. I got a lot of other plans, a lot of other things to do as well. I will be doing probably videos about making the carbon fiber as well. I was kind of holding on that for a while, but I decided, yeah, I'm just gonna do it and release some of those videos as well. Anyway, about the garage, I got a new thing right here. It's a fireplace. That's working really good. Getting ready for winter. Not much, else has been changed in the garage other than a lot of mess here and there. So yeah, again, putting a lot of goals in front of me for the next 2022. Hopefully I can do and get them all done and achieve many things. And hopefully that I can get a GSX back on the road this year. And yeah, I really miss driving that car. Anyway, again, guys, really appreciate all of you watching and subscribing. If you're new, consider subscribing, because I'm about to hit that 1,000 subscribers, and I'm really happy about that. I will be doing a hoodie giveaway, and yeah, I'll be doing that, and hopefully one of you guys gets it. And yeah, anyway, again, guys, really appreciate all of you watching. Stay tuned for the next videos. Again, happy new 2022, and I'll see you guys next time. Laters.